Today I'll show you the most important iPhone features you should disable when your iPhone is locked. These settings protect your privacy and stop anyone from accessing sensitive information without your permission. Let's jump in. Go to the settings, then Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode and scroll down to the section called Allow Access When Locked. The first one, the most important one, is Control Center. Turn off Control Center because anyone can swipe down on your lock screen and turn on airplane mode, meaning they can prevent your iPhone from being tracked or pinged. So disable it for better security. The second one, Notification Center. Disable Notification Center as well. This stops others from reading your messages or app notifications without unlocking your phone. The third one, live activities. Maybe this one is optional. Live activities is optional, but turning it off hides sensitive live information, like ride details, deliveries, or timers from showing on your lock screen. The fourth one, Siri. Turn off Siri on the lock screen. If you keep it on, people can ask Siri things about your iPhone, like calling someone or sending a message without unlocking your device. The fifth one, reply with message. Disable reply with message. Otherwise, anyone can reply to your incoming messages directly from the lock screen. The last one, return missed calls. Turn off return missed calls as well, so no one can call back from your phone without unlocking it, especially useful in case your phone gets lost. And that's it. These quick changes make your iPhone much more secure and protect your privacy. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.